Is that turkey skin? Or is that tree bark? Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Baum Grillin'z. Today we're going to be doing a turkey. And I'm going to call it the tamarack turkey because we're going to try to make the skin look just like bark. You know, that really nice looking bark you get on those chickens and turkeys. That's what we're going for. So we're going to see if we can get that or not. I don't know. All right, so let's get to the cowboy kitchen real quick. We've got our grill already heating up and we'll get everything put together. Let's do it. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to lather this bird up with some peanut oil. Now this is going to be our binder. It's going to help keep them rubs stuck to that skin and create that bark. It's kind of our first foundation really. So just kind of lather it all over that bird. Make sure you get every nook and cranny you can. Now for our seasonings. We're going to be using the Lanes BBQ seasonings. I've got the sweet heat and we're going to pair it with the garlic. Now, I haven't tried these yet, but I'm really excited about them. They smell amazing, and I like what's in them and what's not in them. So go ahead and hit that bird and make sure you get it all over it. We want it really thick. That's how we're going to get this tamarack bark look. So just spread it on there. We're going to flip it over, and we're going to do the other side. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks awesome. Now we're going to stuff this thing. Now we've got an onion, we've cut it in half. We've got a couple apples, and we also have some garlic. So go ahead and just stuff that inside the turkey there. Try to fit as much as you can. This is going to kind of help us just beef up this bird a little bit more and kind of help with the cook. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to inject our turkey here with a little bit of, I've got butter, Frank's hot sauce, and some garlic in here. This bird is going to have so much flavor, I don't even know. It might be overkill, but it's going to look good. Okay, that turkey's all dressed up and ready for the smoke. So I've got the Baum smoker out there, and I've got the temperature around 275, 300 range. We're going to try to keep it around there and slowly smoke this thing till we get that perfect internal temperature and that great looking bark. Because that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a really nice looking bird, and it's going to taste fantastic. I know that. So let's get it out there. Okay, we're over at the Baum Smoker Grill, whatever you want to call it. Okay, we are at the Baum Grill and we've got some smoke rolling. So let's get our turkey inside there. Let's do it. Come here, you. Oh, that thing's big. Oh. Okay. Oh, perfect fit. Look at that. Just enough room. Get our probe. We'll put it right in there. All right, we're going to close it up, and we're going to leave just a little gap so we can maintain that lower temperature. We'll continue to monitor it, and we'll check back with you in a minute. Real bad boy. So one of the things I really like about this grill is its low profile. And I don't mean like how small it is, but sometimes, you know, you might not want to share your barbecue with other. I'll show you here. Here comes my neighbor. Hey, neighbor! Hey, Lewis. Hey, what you got cooking? Oh, this? No. No, we're barbecue. I mean, we're burning trash. Oh, really? Smells just like barbecue. No, this we only have the finest quality trash here at the Baum residence. Huh? Really? I could have swore I smelled turkey over here. No, hey, really like your car. That's really neat. Oh yeah, this old thing. This is my 1991 Subaru Hybrid. It burns oil and coolant. I'm not sure that's how that works. Yep. Woo! See what I'm saying? Low profile. Incognito. Okay, so we're about an hour into the cook and our internal temperature is reading around 100 degrees. So we got another about 65 degrees to go. Things are looking really good though. I mean, come take a look at this. Look at that bark. That's gonna be so delicious. I'm so excited about this. All right, well, we'll keep you guys updated. Yeah. Okay, we're about 2 hours into the cook and the sun's starting to go down. I don't know if it's gonna be daylight when this thing's done, but hey, sure looks cool. Check it out. All right, that turkey is ready. So we've been cooking around 3 hours here, I think. Oh, maybe a little more, I'm not sure. But we've got the internal temperature of about 165, maybe a little more. Perfect, that's what you need for your turkey. So let's pull it out and we'll check it out. Whew. Oh, this thing smells amazing and it looks awesome. All right, let's pull it out. Took forever. I told you guys it would be dark out by the time I got done with this. Come here, Birdie. Oh, you're heavy. Oh, man, look at that. That looks awesome. Just what I wanted. All right, we're gonna take this on over to the cowboy kitchen. We're gonna slice and dice and take a bite. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay, we made it back up here to the cowboy kitchen. Had a little bit of a walk there. I wasn't sure if I was going to drop the bird, but I'm okay. And it's okay. And it smells amazing. I'm so excited to try this. So let's just do it. Let's just try it. All right, I'm just going to slice a little bit here. Slice that off. Ooh. Oh. It's got a beautiful color to it. It's a little dark, but that's from the smoke. And I wish that it wasn't nighttime right now because it would look even better in the daylight. So, all right, let's give it a try. Oh, wow. That is so good. That I can definitely taste the sweet and spicy in that rub. And the smoke has penetrated this thing perfectly. I mean, it's really good. Man, it's got a little heat to it too. Injecting it with the butter and the Frank's hot sauce was a really good idea. That turned out awesome. Let me take another bite. Wow. That's some bark. That's definitely better than the bark I tried at the beginning of the video. I'll finish this up real quick. That's awesome. That is really good. So I just wanted to talk about these barbecue rubs real quick. These are Lanes BBQ. And I just stumbled across them on Instagram. Somebody had a video of a beer can chicken and they were using these spices and I was just like, I gotta try it. So I went ahead and ordered me some of these and they're awesome. I really like them. Paired together, they're excellent. So it's not a sponsored video, but if you want to check them out, I'll leave a link down below, as well as the rest of the recipe on what I did here. So there you have it. Tamarack turkey. That was really good. The Po Man grill did just fine. It held a good temperature. I wasn't sure about it, but it went just fine for 3 hours. I had to add some coals, I don't know, within a little while after I started. But that was okay. I mean, what do you expect after 3 hours of cooking? You're going to need to add some coals. So it turned out fine, though. The little grill's great. All right. Well, there you go. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you check out some more of my videos. They're going to pop up here, especially this one right here. Yeah, that's how this turkey got to where it is. So go check that one out, definitely, and see some of my silliness. If not, you've already seen some of it here. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next episode. Baum Grillin'z out.